In my office, people have to enter username and password for them to connect to the Wi-Fi, and same is the case with many hotels and airports. Now, the problem with this approach is you only get one or two login credentials, and let's say if you have more than two devices, which most of us have these days, or let's say if you have a friend coming over, then there is no way for them to access the internet. Or let's consider another situation. Your laptop is not getting proper Wi-Fi signal at one part of the house, but your smartphone is, and now you want to use your Android as a Wi-Fi repeater. Or let's just say you want to connect multiple devices under the same network for file sharing, but you don't have access to the router. So how can you use your Android to fix all this problem? Well, let's find out. Hi there, this is Mina once again, and today is one of those videos where we find simple solution to complex tech problems. And in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use your Android smartphone as a Wi-Fi repeater. But the logic is when it is connected to a Wi-Fi network. Now let me break it down what I mean here. So most of you might know Android comes with a portable Wi-Fi hotspot option, which when turned on creates a Wi-Fi hotspot. But the key here is you can only share the internet from your mobile data, not the Wi-Fi. However, the method that I am going to show here will convert your Android smartphone into a Wi-Fi repeater, meaning your Android is connected to a Wi-Fi network and you can also create a hotspot sharing the same Wi-Fi network, and both devices will be able to use internet at the same time. So say if you ever visit an airport or an hotel where they only give you Wi-Fi access on one device, then using this trick you can turn your Android smartphone into a Wi-Fi repeater and then have access to internet on multiple devices. No need to rely on mobile data, and it's pretty fast as well. So how is that going to work? Well, all you have to do is install one simple application and then do some network configuration on different devices, and that's pretty much it. Now, if you are one of those people who just want to see the trick, then click on the timestamp appearing on the screen right now. However, I will highly recommend you watch the entire video and understand the logic behind the scenes. So let's check it out. The app called NetShare works smartly around these restrictions. It first creates a work group which takes the other device, let's say a computer, under the same network. Do note that as of now, the other device won't have access to the internet. Now, in order to share the internet, the app creates virtual private network or a VPN from the Android phone, which you will have to connect from the other device, the computer in this instance. So once you enter the proxy settings on the computer, then it will automatically redirect all the internet traffic through your device, thereby having the internet access. Okay, so let's see how it works. For this instance, I will try to share my office Wi-Fi network that I have on my Android to this Windows computer. Now on your Android, head over to Google Play Store and download NetShare No Root. This application is freemium and, as the name suggests, doesn't require any root access. Next, open up the application and turn it on. And that's it. It will create a new Wi-Fi network which will have a complicated name and a complicated Wi-Fi password. Now I know most of you may be wondering, how about we change the network name and the password? But unfortunately you cannot do that. Due to Android restrictions, you cannot change the Wi-Fi name or the password like you can do it in the native hotspot settings. Next, open up the application and turn it on. Now from here, the steps are a bit different on different platforms. You can find it in the help section, or if you want, I can write a detailed in-depth guide with proper screenshots. Just let me know in the comments below. For this instance, let's see how to set it up on PC. So open up your Windows computer and connect to Wi-Fi network. That says direct DR Android followed by a complex alphanumeric number, and then enter the Wi-Fi password as well. Now if you go to the browser and check, you won't see any internet access even though you are connected to the Wi-Fi network. So in order to fix that, you need to set up a proxy IP. Head over to the control panel, look for the internet option, next click on the connection tab and then click on LAN settings. There you will have to enter the proxy IP address and the port number. Now if you go to the browser, you will have a full internet access. The speed that you will get here is the original speed of your Wi-Fi, and you will be able to use the internet on both devices at the same time. Pretty cool, right? Now let's try to connect it with another Android device. So bring in your other Android smartphone and install the same application on it. Now connect to the Wi-Fi network created by the first device, and there you go. If you check, the new Android device will have internet access as well. This time you don't even have to configure any proxy IPs. Similarly, if you want to do it on your Mac OS, then go to your Wi-Fi and connect to the Wi-Fi network created by the first device. Now go to your system preference and then go to network. Select the Wi-Fi network from the left and then click on advanced. Here you will see the proxy in the header. Click on that. Now turn on web proxy. Just in case you cannot do that, then go back to the previous menu and turn off the padlock and enter your login password. Now again go back to the proxy option and enter the HTTP proxy followed by the port number. And do it the same thing for HTTPS connection as well. Click on OK and save changes. And that's pretty much it. If you now go to the browser, you will have the full internet access. Similarly, you can also set it up on your iOS and PS4. However, for other devices like Xbox or Nintendo Switch, which don't have the option to enter proxy settings, this application won't work there. Overall, I have tried this workaround for full 2 days as my regular internet source on my workstation and it works flawlessly. The battery drain is also minimal. However, if you are having a network connection issue, then all you have to do is restart the device or restart the application, and that should do the trick. Though judging from the Play Store comments, it looks like this application doesn't work for some low-end Android smartphone. Though after a trial period, this application will stop working for HTTPS connection, meaning that all the connections that goes through HTTPS is not going to resolve. And since Google uses HTTPS by default, it practically means that you won't be able to use this application. Now, the only way to fix this is by upgrading to Pro version, which will cost you somewhere around $6, and that's quite a lot if you're not a regular user, because do keep in mind, for $20 you can get a dedicated Wi-Fi repeater. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you like these kind of videos where I provide simple solution to complex tech problems, then check out my other related videos. A link to that will be in the description below. And if you have a tip or a common problem, then let me know in the comment section below or email me. That being said, if you like this research and wants to support this channel, then check out our sponsor Audible. This month I'm listening to The One Thing, and you can say it is a simplified version of 80-20 rule. According to the author, if you want to achieve something big in life, then you need to focus on just one thing. People with balanced work life get balanced result. People with narrow focus get exponential results. So go check out The One Thing on Audible or select from thousands of different audiobooks. The first book is free and then it's $15 a month. Definitely a little more expensive for Indian point of view, but thankfully Audible is coming to India and it will be a lot cheaper, hopefully. So that's pretty much it. I will see you in the next Chrome extension video. Until then, thank you for watching.